Space, vast, ancient, and seemingly infinite. A never-ending ocean of stars. For thousands of years, we have looked up and asked the same question. Are we alone? Look around. The universe is enormous. It contains at least 2 trillion galaxies. And within our own Milky Way, over 100 billion stars. And here's the crazy part. Almost every star has planets. Many of them are in the so-called Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, just right for liquid water and maybe life. So, with billions of potentially habitable planets out there, where is everyone? Why don't we see alien cities? Why don't we pick up radio signals? Why hasn't anyone dropped by for a cosmic cup of coffee? This, my friends, is the great mystery known as the Fermi Paradox. The year was 1950. The place, Los Alamos National Laboratory. 4 brilliant scientists were having lunch, chatting about UFO sightings and interstellar travel. Among them was Enrico Fermi, one of the fathers of nuclear physics, a man so sharp that even while eating lunch, he could drop world-changing ideas. And then, in the middle of their conversation, he casually asked, "So, where is everybody?" That simple question changed everything, because mathematically, the universe should be teeming with intelligent life. And yet, when we look up at the sky, we see nothing. Why? Why is this a paradox? Okay, let's do some quick math. Don't worry, no scary equations. The famous Drake equation gives us a rough estimate of how many civilizations should exist in our galaxy. It considers factors like how many stars form every year, how many of them have planets, how many planets could support life, how many actually develop intelligent life. If we're being conservative, the numbers still suggest that thousands of civilizations should be out there. And yet, our telescopes see nothing. Our radio receivers hear static. It's like standing in the middle of New York City at rush hour and hearing absolute silence. The Firstborn Theory. Let's assume that there is no great filter. Maybe the reason we don't see any alien civilizations is that we are the first. Think about it. The universe is 13.8 billion years old, but for billions of years it was a chaotic mess, full of deadly radiation, cosmic explosions, and extreme environments. Early stars didn't even have the necessary elements for life. No carbon, no oxygen, no heavy metals. Those elements had to be created in generations of dying stars before planets like Earth could even exist. And even after Earth formed, for 3 billion years, it was just a planet full of single-celled bacteria. Must reprise. So maybe the emergence of intelligent life is exceptionally rare and slow. Maybe most planets are still in their microbial stage, or haven't even reached that yet. If that's the case, then we are among the first intelligent beings in the universe. We are the pioneers of cosmic civilization. The Great Filter. Do civilizations destroy themselves? But what if the problem isn't that civilizations haven't appeared, but that they don't survive long enough to explore the stars? This is the idea of the Great Filter, something that prevents intelligent life from advancing beyond a certain point. The filter could be biological. Maybe life itself is incredibly rare, and we won the ultimate cosmic lottery. Or maybe most civilizations get stuck at the microbial stage and never develop intelligence. But here's the scary part. What if the Great Filter is ahead of us? Maybe every advanced civilization eventually self-destructs. Nuclear war, climate collapse, artificial intelligence gone rogue. If that's the case, we might be next. The Dark Forest. The universe is a silent battlefield. Now, imagine the universe as a dark forest. Every civilization is like a hidden predator, watching, waiting, afraid to make a sound. Because in this cosmic jungle, Making noise could get you killed. What if advanced civilizations have learned to stay silent? Because the first one to reveal itself might not live long enough to regret it. Think about human history. When a less advanced civilization meets a more advanced one, it usually doesn't end well for the weaker side. So maybe every intelligent species understands this. The safest move in the universe is to stay hidden. The zoo hypothesis. Or maybe we are being watched. Maybe advanced civilizations do exist, but they've chosen to observe us without interference. Think of how we watch animals in a wildlife reserve. We study them, but we don't interfere with their behavior. To them, we might just be an interesting experiment, a primitive species not yet ready to join the intergalactic club. We don't understand the limits of human perception. Or maybe they are communicating with us. We just don't get it. Think about an ant trying to understand the internet. It doesn't have the tools. It doesn't have the brain power. It just crawls on your keyboard completely clueless. Maybe alien messages are everywhere, in the background noise of the universe, in dimensions we can't perceive, or in forms of technology so advanced we mistake them for nature. What if dark matter, making up 85% of the universe, is actually a sign of alien megastructures beyond our comprehension? What if the laws of physics themselves are engineered? So are we truly alone? The Fermi Paradox forces us to ask some of the biggest questions in science and philosophy. Are we truly alone? Are we the first? Or are we missing something huge? If intelligent life is common, then why don't we see it? And if it's rare, does that mean we have a responsibility to protect and expand our civilization? Perhaps the silence is not empty. Perhaps it is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. What do you think? Which explanation makes the most sense? Do you believe we're alone? Or do you think aliens are out there just hiding? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending questions about the universe.